analysis on GBP USD and the Euro USD on this week. So with that being said, let's just dive into the video. Look at this. If you look at this chart now, you see that I'm on daily time frame of Euro USD. So from my analysis, this is top-down analysis that I've just carried out for this week. Now from here, if you look at this very zone here, you see we have a series of wick at this point. So from this area now, I took my analysis from here down to my entry time frame. So from here, I saw this multiple wicks here. I saw this multiple wicks at this very zone. So I dropped to 4 hours time frame to see exactly what the market wants to do. Now from here, I saw this candle here. This is the area I'm talking about. I saw this. So I saw this first one here. I saw this sign again, and this one. So at this point now, I found out there is something here that is kind of fair value gap at this zone. This 4 hour time frame, look at it very well, it's 4 hours time frame. So I saw this a value gap. There is a gap between these three candles, from this one to this very one. There is a gap in between these three candles here, one and this three. There is a gap. I mark out that gap that is between the two candles and drop down to 1 hour time frame to see exactly what happens. So looking at this place, I saw it in 1 hour time frame. So my interest now is for this market to get to this place, and I place myself from here. Anytime I see my entry confirmation, any reversal candlestick pattern at this zone, is where I'm expecting the market to reverse. And you can see that is another block here. This green candle is another block here. So this is where I'm expecting the market to get to and drop down. Then the same thing in GBP USD. This is GBP USD 4 hour time frame. We go to daily time frame. You see a kind of wick here, wick candle here. So and I did the same thing. I dropped to 4 hour time frame. From 4 hour time frame, yes, from 4 hour time frame, I saw this here, the same wick candle. This is it here, the same wick candle here, as a kind of block for me. Then I now drop to 1 hour time frame for the confirmation, which you can see from this very zone. I don't need to mark everything here because of how this GBP USD behaves. I mean that this place is a block that this market is supposed to get to and sell, but GBP used to clear liquidity. So I'll be expecting the market to get to this block here, this upper one, before it will sell. The reason why I say this is because of the past results and what I have seen in this GBP USD. If you look at the place now, you see that this is a block. As market took this low from here, this is a block where this market is supposed to sell, but this GBP normally clear liquidity. So many persons might have sell at this zone, and market will just take them out and start selling from this zone. This is actually the same thing that wants to happen here. That's the reason why I did not mark this first block. I used this second one. And look at this place again. Look at here. And some persons will just place like from here. This is like a block where some persons will place their sell. Well, look at what GBP did. Clear everybody here and took this one. This is the last one that market took down. This is exactly how GBP used to behave. Likewise, this one again. This is a another block here. This is a block that some persons may likely to take here, but there is something that happened here. There is a fair value gap here. So if you mark this fair value gap from this very zone and drop it down to this very place, to here, this is a gap between this three candle to this one. You mark it. This is where this market picked this up. Why? If you go to lower time frame, you will see the exact thing that I'm talking about, because the lower time frame will give us everything we need to know about this strategy. This lower time frame, for if you go to lower time frame, you must see something like block here. Other block must be at this very zone. That's the reason why this market triggered from here. And the many persons are bleeding in in losses, because they might have placed their maybe stop loss here above this block, and market will come and just clear them. So you have to take the knowledge that GBP usually clear liquidity. This is how it works. So if you go, I will see go that if I go down like 15 minutes or 5 minutes, you will see that it's a block in this very zone. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to turn on post notification button in case of any content like this being uploaded in this channel. So if, as I said earlier, if you go lower to the lower time frame, you will see the same thing that I'm talking about, that this market, we have something like a block at this very zone. There must be something like other block at this very zone, which we will see it now. Let me check 15 minutes. 15-minute time frame. 15 minutes. There is no block at this very zone now. So there is no block. So this we are expecting this to be a block. Let's go further lower to like 5 minutes to see whether, okay, as I said, see, this is a block, a very clear other block here. This is the other block I'm talking about at 15 minutes. Look at it here. This is the block I'm talking about from 15 minutes. So this is exactly how it will. Remember that there is there is very a gap at that zone. As I said earlier, there is a gap at this very place. That's the reason why we did it. There is a gap here. So I'm expecting this market to go back to that zone, as we said, to come to this zone, and we will sell it. This is where we are expecting this market to get to before we sell it down. So let's just stick to it and see what the market will do. It's a live market. So from GBP is not like Euro. GBP is not like Euro USD. Euro USD behave in different way, in different manner. But okay, look at what I said. This is Euro USD. Look at what happened here. This is where the market get to and drop down. You can see it. You can see it on Euro USD. So even if you go to 15 minutes, the entry confirmation we use here, if you go to 15 minutes, you see as market get to this place and they will see this engulfed candle. Market engulfed, we place our sell immediately and the market drop down. 5 minutes again, you will see the same engulfed candle. As I said earlier before that, I use only engulfed candle for my entry confirmation. This is the candlestick pattern that I want to use. Let's check GBP USD, whether the same thing happened. Look at what happened in GBP USD. This is where we expect this market to get to, and the market get to the same zone and drop down. This is how we run the analysis. So like here, yeah, this is the entry confirmation engulfed candle. This is the candlestick that we are using for the entry confirmation. If you go to 5 minutes again, you will see the same thing, the same pattern. This is where the market engulfed. We enter here, this engulfed candle here. This is exactly how it works. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.